Going on, guys? We have another car today, and the problem with this one, this is a Lexus 2001 GS300, and the problem with this car today, problem is that noise and the brake light, the VCS, all the lights are on. Okay, pump, we see they have the pump motor is locked, hydro boost pump motor fault, all the ABS system is fault. So I'm gonna clear the codes. See, okay, that means the code is really strong. Okay, the pump motor is locked, I don't know why. So we're gonna do some diagnostics to see what's the cause of this problem. And how we're gonna resolve this. Okay, so we are back with this car again, and we're gonna check if we have the powers. Okay, this is relay energizing and turning off. So we have 4 powers. Yep. We have our ground, power. Yes. Okay. So looks like we have a brake motor problem for the anti-lock brake system. Looks like the motor is busted. So almost all the people change all this, and you can change only the motor that goes under the motor for the ABS. You can change that. That's what usually goes bad in this car. And here's the car. You replace the motor assembly. We got a used motor from eBay, so we just replaced the little motor, the actuator of this car, and the car is working, no problems at all. And we see there's no light anymore, that annoying beeping sound. So, this is how you fix the annoying light in a 2001 Lexus GS300. I guess they start from 2000 up to 2007. They pretty much use the same motor, this type of cars. And also Toyota runners use them also. So I hope you find this information helpful. If you like the video, hit the button, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.